Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my personal analysis on Volatility 25 index, how I was able to catch this entry and my reason for taking the entries. Okay, so normally I go to the daily time frame to do my analysis. All right, I normally like to do a top-down analysis in order to get the overall view of the market and to know the direction of the market so that you can follow along with it. Okay, so I'm going to head up to the daily time frame, which I normally like to do my analysis. Now, as you can see from the daily, we are kind of heading up. The market is in an uptrend, right? So I'll try to put in some trend line to help identify what I'm seeing in the market. Now you can see that currently market is heading up, right? Now here on the daily time frame, after putting my trend line, right, I'm going to put in some support and resistance zone, all right, to boost my confidence, right, to know what is going to be the next plan of action. So right now, what I can spot here, why I draw this zone is that, okay, so you can see that market is heading up, right? Now there is a resistance zone here the price just broke out of, all right, and it's kind of coming down for retest around this area. And as you all know, whenever there's a breakout, there's going to be a retest and then a continuous move to the upside, or it's going to break below the zone again, retest, and then continue to the downside. All right, so this is the two things that will happen here, right? Either it continue to the upside, right, or it's going to come back down, break below our zone, right, go back for retest to the zone again, right, and then it's going to continue to the downside, right? So this is the two way it's going to happen, all right, and I want to take advantage of either way, right? If either it goes down or it goes up, I want to be there to take advantage of those two movements, right? Now the first plan of action is that okay, now here is my first plan of action. I want to catch this movement. Now you know this zone here is from the daily time frame, and I know it's going to be very powerful. So whenever price come here, even if it's going to break below it, it's going to first of all make a movement to the upside, all right, and I want to take the advantage of that. Now let's head down to the 30-minute time frame. Here on the 30-minute time frame, I'm going to put in some trend line to help me identify. I want to know what previously happened here in the market. All right, so now you can see this is what happened previously in the market. Price was initially in this movement, this up movement here, and then it broke below our trend line, right? It broke below the trend line, came for retest around this area here. So there is a zone here, right? There is a zone here that price got rejected from, right? It broke below, make a retest, and you can see price is heading down right now. All right, this is the 30-minute time frame. Take note of that. So me, I'm working with the daily time frame. Regardless, I'm working with the daily time frame, so I want to be taking buy trades only because I know the market is heading up. Right now, this is what I want to do. The market is kind of temporarily heading down here, but I know that movement is not going to be too strong, so I don't want to be taking any sell entry, right? So I want to be looking for buy opportunities only, and I can see two opportunities here around this area now. So now, first thing is that there is a support area here, right? There's a support area here. Now you can see this is where price is kind of reacting to right now, because there is a support area around this area. All right, so price is kind of reacting from that area. So there is a bounce up from this area because there's a zone here bouncing price to the upside. All right, and as you can see, my TP was around this area because I know there is a resistance zone here. The price might fail to break above, or it's going to break above it, right? But it might fail, so you need to play safe. So I place the TP here so that whenever price get there, I'll be out of the market before any movements. All right, any change of movement, right? So this is the first area I am looking for a buy. As you can see, there is a buy limit here, so I just took this entry so that I will be in the game, or so that I'll be in the game. If price fails to go to this area, still I'll be making money because I've already taken a buy here and I know where to place my stop loss already. Okay, but right now I didn't place any stop loss. All right, but the buy limit here, there is a stop loss for it in case I might not be there when price will get to the area. Okay, so as you can see, my plan is already in action. Okay, now this is the next area I plan to take my buy from. There is a support area here, all right, which I'm expecting price to come back to and bounce from. All right, but if it fails to bounce or get to that area, as you can see, I'm already in the trade. All right, so if it fails to go back here, then no problem, I'll still make money either way. Okay, so you can see this is what I planned for this market. All right, so let's step down to the 15-minute time frame. Now on the 15-minute time frame, you can see the market clearly. This is what's happening here in the market. All right, so, and as you can see, this is my plan of action. All right, and this signal has already been sent to my Telegram channel. So for those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. You're going to see it, or you check my bio, the link is there. All right, for those of you watching from TikTok. All right, so this is how you do your analysis, and whenever you do your analysis, don't be scared to take your entry. Okay, the only thing there is that whenever you are taking your entry, make sure the risks you are taking is what you are willing to lose. Okay, so once you are done with that, then you are good to go. Once the risk is okay for you, that you can like lose the money and nothing will move you, okay, then you are good to go. You just take the entry and you wait for the market to do its thing. Okay, so I decided to just share this quickly with you guys, and hopefully it's going to be of help to someone out there. Okay, so I think that's going to be all for this one. And quickly before I go, I want to quickly remind you guys about my powerful boom and crash strategy. For those of you who trade boom and crash, I have a powerful strategy that can help you grow your small account, even if you're a beginner. All right, even if you're a beginner and you have been blowing your account, I have a strategy that will help you grow your account from a $5 or a $10, all right, to a huge amount of money. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that's all guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you out.